In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install eFootball 2025 PPSSPP version on your Android device. I'll be showing you the complete procedure to make it work. So simply make sure that you follow each and every step in this video. Now make sure that you download this app that is called Z Archiver, because this is the exact app that you need to make this work on your PPSSPP emulator. Now open your Z Archiver and then locate your game file. So if I go into my download section, you can see that I already have the eFootball 2025 PSP game file already downloaded on my device. So what I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to extract this game file. Now to extract this game file is quite easy. All I have to do is just tap on it and then I'll click extract here. Now once you've done this, it's going to start extracting the game file. So all you have to do is just wait. Now make sure that you follow every step in this video, because I'm going to be showing you how to place the file in the PSP folder, because there are a lot of complicated things that you need to do to make the game work. Because if you don't do it correctly, this game is not going to work, because this game is not like every other game that you normally play on your PPSSPP emulator. So let's wait for it to finish extracting, so I start showing you guys on how to place the files in your PSP folder. Now that it's done extracting, you have to click on the PSP folder. You see this PSP folder, that's what was extracted. So you can see all the game file in here. So let's begin. Now you can see there's texture, there's save data, and there's this other one at the top. So I'm going to be showing you how to actually place these files. Now first thing, you start with this your texture. All you have to do, hold down on this file that is in there, click on cut, and then go to your PSP folder. My PSP folder is inside my document section, so I'm going to go into my document section. You can see my main PSP folder. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to come into the texture and then I'll click on it, then I'll paste it in here. So everything will be pasted inside my main PPSSPP emulator folder. So you can see I've already done that. So I'll go back to the game file again. The game file is inside my download section. So the next thing I'm going to be moving now, you can see I've already moved what was inside the texture section. So I'm going to be moving this save data. So it's the same thing. I'll hold it, I'll click on cut, and then I'll go to my main PSP folder, which is inside my document section. And then I'll put it inside the save data. I'll paste it in there also. So now that I've done this, there's one more thing for me to move. So I'm going to go inside that section again. You can see it. Then this one that you can see at the top, this EAFC, you can see this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold down on it and then I'll click on cut. Then I'll go to my main PSP folder inside my document section once more. Then I'm going to paste it in here. So I'm just going to paste it here. So you can see everything have been moved from the game file into my PSP folder. So now I can open my PSPP emulator. So let me show you I'm actually keeping my game. So I'm going to click on browse PSP. So this is where the game file has been stored inside my main PSP folder. So I'll click on use this folder, allow, and now you can see that the game is here and the game is ready to play. So I'm going to be playing this game now so you guys can see that it's actually working. Now at the end of my video, I'm going to recommend another video that is going to give you the best settings to use to play your PPSSPP games, because if you do not have the best settings, your games are going to be lagging. So wait for the end of this video so you can also get that video to get the best settings for your PPSSPP emulator.
talking a genuinely stylish player here in Frank Rijkaard. You're not arguing with that, Jim, are you? No, I've got to totally agree with every word you just said. As holding midfielders go, he is one of the very best. Nothing phases him. Oh, the keeper's done just about enough. Well intercepted, really well tuned in.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.